Hi. Um, I just wanted to come over here because I wanted to get away from the group of people at lunch today. I wanted to do this video real quick. I don't have my tablet on me, otherwise I'd do it on that. I have been thinking about you so much in the past few days, and it's starting to get a little unbearable in good ways. And I'm not really sure how to handle it anymore. There's times where I just want to break down and cry because I can't hold my girl, and I don't know what else to do. And I have a feeling that this is just causing my love for you to grow and grow and grow. Not being able to go home to you is what's killing me right now. And I'm sure that once we meet and get together and finally are together in the same location, it will be all so worth it. So, yeah. Bye.